Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the pesky F2 error code on your Kenmore oven from 2025, you're in the right place. This error can be a real headache, often signaling an issue with the oven's temperature sensor, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your oven back up and running in no time. First things first, let's talk about what the F2 error means. In Kenmore ovens, especially the 2025 models, this code typically indicates that the oven sensor is malfunctioning or not reading temperatures correctly. It could be due to a loose connection, dirt buildup, or even a faulty part. The good news is that many cases can be resolved without calling a professional. Before we dive in, safety is key. Always unplug your oven or turn off the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's get started with the fixes. Step 1. Locate the temperature sensor. It's usually at the back of the oven cavity. Open your oven door and look for a probe that sticks out. That's your sensor. Gently pull it out if possible, but be careful not to damage any wires. Step 2. Inspect for any obvious issues. Check if the sensor wire is loose or disconnected. If it is, secure it back in place. Also, wipe down the sensor with a dry cloth to remove any grime or food residue that might be interfering with its readings. Step 3. If the sensor looks okay, you might need to test it. Use a multimeter to check for continuity. A reading around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature is normal. If it's way off, you may need to replace the sensor. You can find replacements online or at appliance stores. After making any necessary repairs, plug the oven back in and reset it by pressing and holding the off button for a few seconds. Then, run a test bake cycle to see if the error is gone. If these steps don't work, it could be a more complex issue like a faulty control board, so it's time to call in a certified technician. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning your oven can prevent these errors in the future. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy fixes. See you next time.